morning. For class 10th, we are doing matrix multiplication. I'm doing some questions, practice questions for matrix multiplication. We told you that matrix multiplication, matrix A and matrix B can only be multiplied if the number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. Number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B, then only matrix multiplication is possible. A square matrix of the same order are always multiplicable. In your course, generally you will come across 2 by 2 matrices. Like if we look here you won't find 2 into 2, there are some other matrix also. So in question number 1, I have 3 minus 2 minus 1, 4 multiplied by 2x1 plus 2 into minus 4, 5 is equal to 4 into 2y, and I have to find out the value of x and y from this. So this matrix is possible to be multiplied because 2 into 2 and here 2 rows and 1 column. So number of columns are 2 here and number of rows are 2 here. Number of rows are 2 here. So this multiplication is possible. If I multiply this, what will I get? In question number 1, 3 into 2x is 3 into 2x plus instead of plus it is minus, so minus 2 into 1. First row into first column. First row into first column. Since there is no second column, we can't multiply, we'll leave it as it is. Then second row into first column, minus 1 into 2x, minus 1 into 2x, plus 4 into 1. So we get this matrix. Is E plus multiplied by 2, 2 minus 4, 8, 2 5s are 10, is equal to 4 2s are 8 and 4 y. 4 2s are 8 and 4 y. Now let us add these two matrices. First of all, simplify it. 3 2s are 6x minus 2. This is minus 2x plus 4 plus minus 8, 10 will be equal to 8 and 4y. What have we done? 3 into 2 is 6x, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus 1 into 2x is 2, minus 2x plus 4, plus minus 8 and 10 is equal to 8 and 4y. Now these two matrices will be added because they are of the same order. What is the order of this matrix? Number of rows into number of columns, number of rows into number of columns. So both matrices are possible to be added. That will become 6x minus 2 minus 8 minus 2x plus 4 plus 10, and it will be equal to 8 and 4y. And you know two matrices are said to be equal to each other if their corresponding elements are equal. So here the elements are 6x minus 10 minus 2x plus 14, and here the elements are 8 and 4y. So let us equate the elements, get two equations and get the value of x and y. The first one is 6x minus 10 is equal to 8 will imply 6x is equal to 18. 10 will be shifted to that side, 10 plus 8, 18, or this will imply x is equal to 3. Second one is minus 2x plus 14 is equal to 4y. If we have already calculated the value of x as 3, so it will be minus 6. Because x is 3, so minus 2 into 3 will be minus 6 plus 14 is equal to 4y. Or 4y will be equal to 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. So y will be equal to 2. So x is 3 and y is 2 is your answer. This was you had to calculate the value of x and y from the given matrix equation. We have multiplied. For multiplication, we told you that two matrices can be multiplied only if the number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. That is the condition for matrix multiplication. Now let us see question number 2, in which he has given you a matrix A and he wants you to calculate the value of a particular equation, like A square minus 5A plus I, where I is the unit matrix. Where I is the unit matrix. A is given to be 3, 1, minus 1 and 2. He wants you to calculate A square minus 5A plus I. He wants you to calculate A square minus 5A plus I. So what I do is, first of all, I am going to calculate A square by multiplying A and A. A square will be A into A. So it will be 3, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 1, minus 1, 2. First row into first column, 3 3s are 9, 1 minus 1. So 9 minus 1. First row, 3 into 3, 9, plus 1 into minus 1. First row into first column. Then first row into second column, that is 3 under 3, plus 1 into 2 is 2. First row into second column. Then second row into first column, that is minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 minus 2. Then minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 2 into 2 is 4. So we get A square as 9 minus 1, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 5. And 4 minus 1 is 3. I've got the value of A square. Now I want to calculate 5A. 5A means you multiply every element of the matrix A by the scalar 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. I have got 5A. And then I is a unit matrix of the order, same order, 0 1, where the principal diagonal element 1 1, the remaining elements are 0. Now let us find out A square minus 5A plus I. I know what is the value of A square. I have already calculated 8, 5 minus 5, 3. Plus in minus 5A, I know what is the value of 5A. 15, 5 minus 5, 10. Plus 1, 0, 0, 1. So when we add all these corresponding elements, let us see what do we get. We will get 8 minus 15 plus 1. 8 is the first element here, minus 15, because minus is here, minus 15 will be the first element here, plus 1 here. Then 5 minus 5 plus 0. Then minus 5 minus plus 5 plus 0. Then 3 minus 10 plus 1. So we added the corresponding elements. 8, 1, 9. 9 minus 15 will be minus 6. It will be 0. Here it will be 0. And 3, 1, 4 minus 10 is minus 6. So you get the answer of this as minus 6, 0. 0 minus 6. You can take minus 6 common out. And you can get 1, 0, 0, 1. It could be written as minus 6i also. This is an identity matrix of the order 2 into 2. So we have got this A square minus 5a plus I is equal to this. Just a moment. Let's calculate again and see if we have made a mistake somewhere or what. The matrix is 3, 1, minus 1, 2. It's okay. And then it is 5a. Okay, doesn't matter. I have written I, they have written 7i. If I would have written 7i, I would have got it to be 0. Doesn't matter. Minus 6i. It's alright. This question is okay. Alright. Now let us see, find the value of this third question. Let's see the third question where he has given you the matrix A and B. Matrix A is 1, 3, 3, 4. 1, 3, 3, 4. And B is minus 2, 1, minus 3, 2. We have got the matrix A and B given as the following. He wants you to calculate a square minus 5b square. A square minus 5b square is equal to 5c. He wants you to calculate the matrix C. So let us calculate first of all a square, as we have to calculate a square. So 1, 3, 3, 4. Some of you will do a square means square each term. Please don't do that. A square means a into a. A into a. You have to multiply a with a. Otherwise, some of the children will do a square of 1, a square of 3, square of 3, square of 4 and say a square. No. A square means a into a. So it will give you 1 into 1, 1 plus 3, 3 are 9. 1 plus 9. Here there are all plus signs, so it is very simple. First row into first column, the first row into second column. 1 into 3 is 3, 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3, plus 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9, plus 16. So we get 10, 15, 15 and 25. A square is 10, 15, 15, 25. Let us calculate 5b square. First of all, b square. B square means b into b. Minus 2, 1, minus 3, 2, multiplied with minus 2, 1, minus 3, and 2. Let us multiply them. Minus 2 into minus 2 will be plus 4 and minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 and plus 2. Minus 3 into minus 2 is 6 and 2 3s are 6. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 and 2 3s are 4. So we get 1, 0, 0, 1. It comes out to be unit matrix, identity matrix. 1, 0, 0, 1, b square. But I have to calculate 5b square. So a square minus 5b square will be equal to how much? A square is, we have calculated to be 10, 15, 15, 25 and minus 5. So multiplied by 5. It will be 10 minus 5 will be 5, 15 minus 0 will be 15, 15 minus 0, 15, 25 minus 5 will be 20. So you get a square minus 5b square as this, and he says 5c should be equal to this. 5c should be equal to 5, 15, 15 and 20. So 5c is equal to this, then c will be equal to what? You divide every element of this by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. So the value of C will come out to be 1, 3, 3, 4. Now next question is, he has given you 3 matrices of the same order, 2 into 2, and he wants you to find P and Q if BA is equal to C square. So BA is equal to C square means, let's write B first, 0 minus Q, 1, 0. Then A into A, P 0, 0, 2. BA is equal to C square. Square of C means 2 minus 2, 2, 2, and 2 minus 2, 2, 2. C square. Let's multiply this. Let's multiply them, equate them, and calculate the value of P and Q. So on this side, if I multiply 0 into P is 0, minus 0, because minus Q into 0 will be 0. 0 into 0 is 0 and minus 2Q. 1 into P is P plus 0. 1 into 0 is 0 and 0 into 2 is 0. Is equal to 2 2s are 4 minus 4, because minus 2 into 2 will be 4, minus 4. 2 minus 2 is minus 4 and minus 4. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 4. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 4. So here you get 0, minus 2Q, P and 0 is equal to 0, minus 8, 8 and 0. So the two matrices can only be equal if their corresponding elements are equal. 0 is equal to 0, minus 2Q is equal to minus 8 will imply Q is equal to 4. P will be equal to 8. P will be equal to 8. So P is 8 and Q is 4 according to this condition. In the next matrix question, I have B, the matrix B is equal to 1, 1, 8, 3. He says find matrix X if X is equal to B square minus 4B. That means he wants to calculate the value of X square minus B square minus 4B. So B square means B into B. That is 1183 into 1183. All signs are plus, so it will be easier for you to manipulate or calculate. 1 into 1, 1 plus 8. 1 into 1 plus 3. 8 into 1, 8 plus 24. 8 into 1, 8 plus 9. So we will get this as 9, 4, 32, 17. We get the matrix B square as 9, 4, 32, 17. 1, 1, 8, 3, 1, 1, 8, 3. First row into first column. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 8 is 8. So 1 plus 8 is 9. Then first row into second column. 1 into 1 is 1. Plus 1 into 3 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 8 into 1 is 8. Second row into first column. 8 into 1 is 8. 3 8s are 24. 8 plus 24 is 32. Then 8 into 1 is 8 and 3 3s are 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. B square. Now B square minus 4B. B square minus 4B will be, I have already calculated B square 9, 4, 32, 17. Multiply this matrix B by 4. That will be 4 1 4, 4 1 4, 4 8 32 and 4 3 12. Subtract these two matrices. You will get 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 4 will be 0. 32 minus 32 is 0. and 17 minus 12 is 5. You get matrix 5 0 0 5, or it could be also equal to 5 can be taken out common, 1 0 0 1, and actually it is 5 I. This is x. We wanted you to calculate the matrix x. Matrix x is actually 5 of the identity matrix. Identity matrix is 1 0 0 1. Now he wants you to calculate, given that he says hence solve for a and b if x is multiplied with ab and gives 550. So x is what? x into ab. So x into ab will be, x is actually 5005 and this is ab. This matrix multiplication is possible. It will be 5a plus 0b and 0 into a plus 5b. So you will get 5a and 5b, and this should be equal to 5a 5b is equal to 550. 5 and 50. So that will imply 5a is equal to 5. That means a is equal to 1. The value of a is 1 because he wants to find the value of a and b. And 5b is 50, means b will be 10. 10 upon 50 upon 5, that is 10. So a is 1, b is 10. Thank you.